I'm back today with another video. So yes, I'm back with another room makeover. This is my bedroom, and I was a little bit bored with the last way I decided to decorate it, so I was ready for a change and I wanted something really bold and really exciting. So I wanted to do wallpaper. However, you guys know I like to change my decor a lot, so I didn't want to commit to real wallpaper because I knew it would be a hassle to remove it. So the last time I gave you guys a room tour, this is what my bedroom actually looked like. It's had a few alterations since then, but we'll just use this as a point of reference. A lot of you really like this blue and gold dresser, which I hated. I ended up painting it pink and selling it for about $200. And I bought this mirror from Home Goods, never used it, paid $150, and thank God I was able to sell it for the same amount. So guys, a couple years later, and oh my God, I'm ashamed to say that I've never vacuumed behind my nightstands or my beds. It was absolutely disgusting back here. So before I could even begin doing the accent wall, I had to address the dirt and the crumbs. So the first thing I did was vacuum the floor. And it was super satisfying just to see the amount of dirt and dust that the vacuum was able to pick up. You're probably wondering, why didn't you just disassemble the bed and completely move it? Girl, this bed is heavy and I was doing this by myself. So also I knew that if I took the bed apart, I was not going to know how to put it back together, so that wasn't happening. I also vacuumed the headboard and also cleaned all of the chrome. What I did not record me doing is shampooing the carpet. I bought the Bissell, I think it's the Pet Turbo Heat. That thing is so awesome. I was able to shampoo not only my headboard, but I also shampooed the carpets, and the amount of dirty water that I had to change was just ridiculous. It's amazing how things don't actually look dirty, but they are. So thank God for that. Me making that $200 investment in that machine, it has really paid off. So here's the next day. I was finally able to start painting the walls. I also filled in all the different nail holes because I've had so much different art all over the walls throughout the years. So I took a little bit of like spackling, or I don't know what you really call it. I got it from Dollar Tree and I just filled in all the nail holes. And now I'm painting the wall using the color Tricorn Black by Sherwin-Williams. It's a really beautiful black. It's the same black that I painted my living room with. And I could have took the curtains down, but I'm just not that type of person. I will just really like do things the wrong way. But if you've never painted before, the smart thing to do is go ahead and like tape everything off, and it makes everything easier. But I guess I don't really like doing things the easy way. Okay guys, so as you can see, I kind of suck at YouTubing. I'm in school right now, trying to get my license for something, and that shit takes up like the majority of my day. And then when I get out, I am so drained and tired. But last night I finished up just about most of the wall, and then I realized I didn't have like painter's tape and a brush. I personally like to have an angled brush because I feel like it limits how much you have to use tape. So I'm going to be using this for like the corners, also for the trim, but we're going to start with the corners. And I also got some painter's tape because I don't want to get any paint on the ceiling. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking and we'll paint. You know what I mean? If I would have just done this from the beginning, I would have been done by now, but yeah. But to be honest guys, I didn't know if I was going to paint the whole room or not, which is why I initially didn't tape everything off, because if I was going to be painting all the walls black, the corners really didn't matter. So this was like a last minute decision because I really wanted this wall to look like wallpaper, and I figured that if I painted the whole room and then put flowers on the back wall, that it really wouldn't give me the wallpaper look that I was going for. Alright guys, so this camera angle, I'm sorry, that's the best I got. But but I just finished riding my bike. Took a break from painting, finished riding my bike, and my Amazon packages were here. So I'm gonna link everything that I got for my bedroom makeover, like in my Amazon affiliate store. I'm trying to get better with that because you guys always ask me about where did I get stuff from, and I like Amazon because these days I don't really feel like going out to shop much. So first thing I got, guys, was these beautiful pink velvet curtains. I ordered from this company before, and I knew they were going to be pretty. I like the velvet curtains because they're also like light filtering. So I got these in 96 inches. And they look really nice, and they're exactly what I was anticipating. So I'm going to hang my curtains up tonight. Instead of buying a new curtain rod, I'm just going to be spray painting these like little things or whatever. Hopefully the rod is heavy enough to handle these curtains. It probably isn't, so I probably will end up going out to buy one. Otherwise, because now that I'm thinking about it, these are actually kind of heavy and I don't think they're going to sit on that rod very well. This is actually my wall decals, so that we can finally start doing our flower accent wall decal stickers. And I really feel like your wall should just be like completely dry before you even attempt to use these. I have these in my antique book before. I don't know if you guys remember, but this is how we're gonna do our wallpaper. So I'm super excited to get to that step. This part was super easy. You literally just peel and stick the flowers. They are huge, however, so you do have to be careful when taking them off of the paper, because I did run into an issue where one of them kind of stuck to itself, but it easily resolved itself. The fun part about these is that you can also reposition them, so if you put one in a place where you don't like it, it's really easy to move it. Lucky for me, I only needed one pack of these flowers. It came with 2 sheets. So if you're doing a larger space, you definitely want to just make sure you order enough of them. They are quite large, but it worked well for me because my room is pretty small. And then on this wall, most of the wall is covered by furniture, so I was able to really strategically place the flowers, thinking about where the curtains were going to be, where the bed was going to be, where my nightstands was going to be. I kind of had to think about all of those things ahead of time as I was positioning the flowers. That way I didn't place them in places that would be covered by furniture anyway. Alright guys, so here is the moment that you all been waiting for. How freaking pretty is that? I think it is absolutely gorgeous. So what I had to do for here was, after I replaced the bed, I just cut the flower in half. So as you can see, it's now a full flower. And then I did the same thing for behind the bed to kind of make it look like a consistent pattern. There are some places where it's peeling off, but the paint on the walls is fresh, so I expect that. And all you have to do is take a little bit of super glue and just put a little dab on it, and that'll help lay it flat. But nothing is like peeling off of the wall, like to the point where it's like falling. So I really love it. I really feel like it gave my room a lot more visual impact. And the only thing I want to do now is get like some type of black, pink, and gray rug to go underneath the bed to tie the room all together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. There's a link in my description box to my Amazon affiliate store where you can buy these flowers for yourself. Thanks for watching.